Hey everyone! If you're dealing with a Snapchat device ban and seeing the device ban message when trying to log in, don't worry, I'll show you some simple steps to fix it. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Open the Play Store or App Store on your device, search for Snapchat, and ensure it's updated to the latest version. This can help rule out any app-related issues. Next, open the settings on your phone and in the search bar at the top, type in VPN if you have a VPN turned on. It could be causing issues with Snapchat because it makes you appear in different locations, which can violate Snapchat's guidelines. Turn off the VPN if it's enabled. If the issue persists, let's head to Snapchat support. Open your browser and search for Snapchat support. Click on the first result, which will take you to Snapchat's official support page. Once it loads, tap on My account is compromised. Next, make sure I can't access my account is selected, followed by My account is locked. Scroll down, and you'll find a button that says Account Site. Tap on it. Once the page loads, click on Unlock My account. You may be prompted to log in, but if not, just tap Unlock My account again. Finally, hit Unlock, and your Snapchat account should be unlocked shortly. That's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like the video and leave any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to answer them all. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.